like
So
doing this to me right now. Oh, hang on, I know why. Hold up, hold up. There we go. All right, better. Okay, cool. So we're in LA now.
Hello.
We're taking the little subway, and we're gonna go meet Stu. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We're gonna go meet Stu at the Chinese Theater and check out the Walk of Fame. All right, we just got here. There's just so much going on. I'm so overwhelmed. We're just gonna take a quick look around. This woman just came up to us and gave us 4 free tickets to the America's Got Talent taping tonight, so we might go do that. I don't really know yet. We'll see. Let's try to find our friends. Ryan Reynolds, Canadian legend, absolutely. Deadpool, Green Lantern, but we don't talk about that. I found him. I found the little boy. Stuart. Hi. We love you. Legends. Kermit the Frog, absolutely. Absolutely. P. Diddy. Look at all these legends. When he ate at Cellier. Absolutely. Yes. We want to go. Wow.
Call you, my friend. I'll make an appointment and I'll catch up with you.
Is Celine Dion here?
I think you can get different symbols in the middle. Like you can get one for movies or one for TV.
Oh, cool. So you can have like multiple stars.
Joe Pass.
Yum. Wow, yum. Lots of pie hole, by the way. I got all kinds of different pies. I got a sweet one. Everybody else got savory ones. Okay,
Cool pies from a cool place.
Continue your stories. Good morning. We're in our little Airbnb.
Hi.
It's a huge mess because we checked in last night and our shit is everywhere. But it's a cute little place. It's super cute. I love it. We're just getting ready to go to the Walt Disney Studios. Yeah, we're gonna check out some stuff. Wow, so we're at the Walt Disney Studios. cute little pop socket Stu got me. So cute, I love it. We made it to In-N-Out. It's fucking poppin'. It is poppin' here. It is so crowded. I think that's security there. The drive-thru line is massive. Ooh, this is wild. Let's see if we can get some burgers. Got our food. Both got cheeseburgers. We got animal fries. Thanks, little Koopy. We can eat now.
Thanks, Shiva.
Marilyn Monroe, her little earring, $1.
I don't know what's with LA and all your scooters, man.
Love the scooters. We walk a little bit.
People love their scooters. Anyway, here we are. We're at the pier. So Katie and I are at the Grove. It's like an outdoor shopping center. It's really nice. Oh, this is so cute, and I love this music. So wow, look at that building. American Girl Cafe. That's what our destination is on the right. We've arrived.
Do we need to bring this back? Ooh, a celebration cheesecake.
So we got some cheeseburgers, spring rolls. Apparently these are the big thing in Magic Kingdom right now. So we're gonna get them at the Cheesecake Factory. Little Caesar salad and a little flatbread. So I can get.
Yum, look at that flatbread.
And there's the flatbread. Mmm. So we got our cheesecakes to go because we wanted to sit outside and enjoy the Grove. It's pretty nice out today. We got the lemon raspberry cream cheesecake, and Koopy got the mango key lime. So Katie and I got the scooters. They are so much fun. We've just been scooting around LA, making our way to Hollywood Boulevard. Let's go.
In New York, maybe Hollywood and Vine.
Maybe Hollywood and Vine.
Who knows? Pero tiene una pata.